Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can install the YouTube application into your Windows. So for that, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. We're going to bring up and open the default browser of our Windows. So you just have to simply click on the Microsoft Edge, maximize this. Then here in this search bar, you need to type YouTube, hit enter. Now you'll find the official website of YouTube from www.youtube.com. Click on that. Now, the thing is, you can watch YouTube here in the Microsoft Edge or in any browser that you have on your Windows, but you are going to open the browser first. And you are not, or the thing is, you cannot open YouTube as a separate application from the browser. So, if you want to install YouTube as a separate application from your browser, then you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you'll find apps, click on install YouTube, click on install. And now we have just installed the YouTube app into our Windows. Click on allow. And then we need to close the browser. And whenever we're going to close the browser, we can simply access to YouTube. So let's search for YouTube in the Windows search bar to confirm if this is already an application here. And as you can see under the best match, YouTube is already an application into your Windows. So that means it has been installed into your Windows. And then maximize this. And from here, you can just simply watch your favorite games, movies, or any other videos that you like. So that's it. That's how you can easily install the YouTube application into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.